You ever wonder who the biggest companies on the planet call when they hit a wall? When they face a problem so big, so tangled up they can't solve it from the inside, well, they call management consultants. It's an entire industry built to parachute in, figure out what's wrong, and design a way forward. But in a world of AI and data everywhere, that whole job is being turned on its head. So let's dive in and see what's really going on.
This quote, this really gets to the heart of the huge transformation we're seeing. It's such a powerful idea, right? The goal isn't just to hand over a fancy report anymore. It's about building systems, building capabilities, basically making the organization itself smarter and faster on its feet.
Okay, so let's just make sure we're all on the same page. At its core, management consulting is really about one thing: bringing in expert outsiders to help solve tough internal problems. I mean, this could be anything, from figuring out how to break into a new market to completely overhauling their operations or even a full-blown digital transformation.
And that brings us perfectly to our first section, really understanding why consultants are the business world's go-to problem solvers. Like, why do they even need to exist in the first place? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like this. A consultant is a doctor for a business. A company might feel sick, maybe sales are slumping or a new competitor is eating their lunch, but they just can't pinpoint the real cause. So the consultant comes in, they run the tests, they analyze all the data, and they give a diagnosis and a treatment plan, all from a totally objective outside point of view. So why bring in these so-called doctors? Well, it really boils down to a few key things you just can't get from the inside. First, you get pure objectivity, totally free from all the internal company politics. You also get deep expertise from people who've solved these exact kinds of problems for dozens of other companies. This lets them move with incredible speed and focus. And, maybe most importantly, they can act as a catalyst to push through big changes that might be too difficult to start from within. Okay, so now that we get the why, let's switch gears and get into the how. What does the process of tackling one of these huge, messy problems actually look like from the inside? This is the key question, right? It's not just a bunch of smart people sitting in a room thinking abstract thoughts. No way. Consulting is a super structured, almost scientific process. It's all designed to break down complexity and build a really clear path forward. So this process, it's a whole journey from diagnosis to cure. It all starts with defining the real problem, not just the symptoms you see on the surface. Then you get into this intense phase of data analysis. But the real magic happens in the synthesis. That's where they turn all that raw data into a clear story with a plan you can actually act on. And here's the crucial part. Modern consulting doesn't just stop at the presentation anymore. It's all about sticking around to see the plan through to the end. And this just perfectly captures that modern shift. The old days of dropping a 100-page PowerPoint deck on a CEO's desk and just walking away, yeah, those are over. Today, value is measured in real, tangible, lasting change, not by how heavy the final report is. Which brings us to the technology that's making this all possible. We are now in an era where the consultant's toolkit is getting a massive, massive upgrade. This chart just lays it out so clearly. You're seeing this fundamental shift away from the old model, which was based more on intuition and these one-off reports. Now, today, it's all about continuous, data-driven intelligence. It's about AI-augmented insights that lead to actual measurable outcomes, not just advice. So what is AI actually doing to the day-to-day work? Well, it's completely rebalancing where a consultant spends their time. AI is automating all the heavy lifting, the data gathering, the basic number crunching. And what that does is it frees up the consultant's brain power to focus on what we humans do best: high-level strategy, creative problem solving, and navigating the really complex human side of making change happen in a big organization. And here it is. This is probably the single most important thing to understand about technology in this field. It's not about replacement, it's about amplification. The consultants who master these new AI tools are going to be able to deliver insights that are faster, deeper, and way more accurate than ever before. And they're going to leave those who don't adapt in the dust. So where is all this headed? For our last section, let's take a look at the future of advice itself. Now, this is a fascinating idea. The traditional pyramid-shaped consulting firm, it's kind of dissolving. And in its place, what we're starting to see is this much more fluid, networked ecosystem of talent, tech platforms, and specialized experts, all coming together on demand to solve very specific problems. So this future ecosystem is going to be a blend of amazing human talent and incredibly powerful technology. Think about AI giving you real-time advice or consulting firms packaging their expertise as software you can subscribe to. It also means way more flexible talent models. And maybe the most futuristic part is this idea of autonomous strategy engines. Basically, an AI that can play business strategy like a grandmaster plays chess, simulating all the possible market scenarios to find the best move. But, and this is a big but, even with all this mind-blowing technology, the human is still right at the center of it all. This isn't about making people obsolete. It's about redefining what expertise even means. The skill is shifting from knowing all the answers to knowing all the right questions to ask the machines.
And we'll end on this thought, because at the end of the day, the role of a truly great consultant has never really been about being a fortune teller. It's about being an architect. It's about giving companies the tools, the data, the insights, and the push they need to not just react to whatever future is coming, but to get out there and actively build the one they want.